If you find that you are making a trip to the bathroom every 2 hours or more frequently to urinate, it's more than normal, and you don't have to just accept it as the way it is. In normal circumstances, the human bladder can store urine until it is convenient to go to the toilet from 4 to 8 times per day. So here are some home remedies for frequent urinations. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help combat any infection that may lead to frequent urination. It also reduces the pain associated with infection in the digestive system. So you have to add 1 tablespoon of raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of raw honey to a glass of warm water, drinking twice daily. Also, you can add 1 to 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to your bath water. Soak in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this once daily until your condition improves. So number 2 is warm compresses. To ease the pain associated with the overactive bladder, nothing can be better than a soothing warm compress. The heat will help minimize bladder pressure as well as relax your muscle therapy, lessening the pain. Wrap a hot water bottle in a towel, lie down, place it over your lower bladder. Leave it there as long as possible. Repeat as needed. You can also use heating pad to get relief from the pain. So number 3 is yogurt. Keeping your bladder healthy is preventive measure for an overacting bladder. For bladder health, including yogurt in your diet is a simple yet and very effective option. It helps treat urinary tract infection and improve kidney health as well as digestion at the same time. Every day you should need 1 to 2 bowls of plain yogurt for best results. Remember not to consume flavored yogurt since they contain sweetness and artificial agents.